Beauty benefits of collagen. Collagen is something your body produces, it does not get any more natural than that. It is a protein in the body that makes up the main building blocks in bones, skin, and muscles. You can get additional collagen by consuming collagen-rich foods such as bone broth or through supplements or drinks. Collagen supplements are made from various animal sources because plants don't produce collagen. Benefits of collagen. Collagen makes up about 75 to 80% of your skin. Collagen products improve elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Additionally, collagen supplements encourage growth and repair and reduce inflammation to relieve joint pain. Last but not least, taking collagen reverse age-related muscle loss by increasing and strengthening muscle growth.